Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, James and I will show you 5 very simple English words that make you sound like a native speaker.
Yes, we will make your English sound smooth and friendly.
Perfect. Let's start with the first word. The word is actually. Many students know this word, but they don't use it in daily speaking.
Right. Actually means something like in fact or to be honest. But natives use it in very short, natural ways.
Exactly. For example, I can say, actually, I don't like coffee. I prefer tea.
Good one. I can say, actually, I'm tired today, but I still want to go out.
Yes, and actually often comes at the beginning of a sentence when you want to correct, add, or explain something.
Students sometimes think actually means now in English, because in some languages it looks similar. But no, it's not now. It's about facts or your real opinion.
Right. So let's practice. I ask you, do you like pizza?
Actually, I love pizza. It's my favorite food.
Good. And now you ask me something.
Okay. Ella, do you like running?
Actually, not really. I prefer walking.
Very good. So, actually makes your answer sound more real, more natural.
Exactly. Now, let's move to the second word. The second word is maybe. This is also very simple, but very useful.
Yes, maybe means something like it's possible or I'm not sure.
For example, maybe I will watch a movie tonight.
Or maybe we can meet tomorrow.
Perfect. And the nice thing is, maybe is very short. Natives use it in daily life all the time.
I can also use it in answers. If someone asks, do you want to go shopping? I can say, maybe.
Yes, sometimes just maybe is enough, especially if you don't want to give a clear answer.
It's very common in casual conversations.
Let's practice with questions and answers. I ask, James, will you cook dinner tonight?
Maybe. It depends if I have time.
Good. Now you ask me.
Okay. Ella, do you like running?
Maybe I need to save more money first.
Great. Both words, actually and maybe, are short but powerful.
Yes, if you use them, your English sounds softer, more natural, not robotic.
So we learn 2 words, actually and maybe.
And remember, this is just the beginning. If you stop here, your English will still sound basic. But if you listen to the rest of our tips, your speaking will really change.
Exactly. The next words are also very important. If you don't know them, it's like missing half the picture.
So don't stop here. Keep practicing with us.
And keep repeating. Say actually and maybe many times in your daily life.
Yes, practice with small sentences. Actually, I like this. Actually, I don't want that. Maybe I will go. Maybe I will not.
Easy practice, big results.
The next word is probably.
Yes, probably means something like very likely. Not 100%, but close.
Exactly. If you are 70 to 80% sure, you can use probably.
For example, I can say, I will probably eat pasta tonight.
Good. Another example, it will probably rain tomorrow.
So probably is stronger than maybe. Maybe is 50-50, but probably is like 80% sure.
Right. Let's make a small comparison. If I say, maybe I will call you, that means I don't know, 50%. But if I say, I will probably call you, that means yes, almost sure.
So if someone hears maybe, they feel, not sure. But if they hear probably, they feel, okay, yes, almost yes.
Exactly. Let's practice. Ask me a question.
Okay. Ello, will you watch TV tonight?
I will probably watch TV, but only for 1 hour.
Good. Now you ask me.
James, will you clean your room today?
I will probably clean it, but maybe tomorrow.
That's funny, but natural.
So I can also use probably in answers. For example, do you like sushi? Probably yes. I tried it once and it was good.
Yes, but be careful. In short answers, natives usually say probably yes or probably not. Simple and natural.
Okay, let's give more examples with daily life. I will probably go shopping this weekend. She will probably call me later. They will probably arrive at 8 o'clock.
Very good. And also in the negative. He probably won't come today. I probably won't eat dessert.
So probably can be used with will or won't.
Yes, that's very common in spoken English.
I feel this word is powerful because it makes you sound more sure, but still natural.
Exactly. If you always use maybe, your English sounds weak. But if you add probably, it shows you understand the difference.
So the three words so far are actually, maybe, and probably.
Yes. And trust me, if you use these three words in conversations, people will say, wow, you sound more native.
But remember, there are still more important words. Without them, your English will not sound complete.
That's right. Don't stop here. The next words will connect your sentences even more naturally.
I'm excited, but for now, I will practice probably in my daily talk.
Perfect. Make small sentences. I will probably wake up early. It will probably be sunny. I will probably read a book.
So, what's the new word?
The word is just.
Ah, just. I hear this all the time.
Yes, it's small, but very powerful. Natives use it in many ways.
Okay, tell me the first one.
We use just to mean only. For example, I just want water. That means you don't want anything else.
Oh, like, I only want water.
Exactly. Another one, he is just a child. That means he is only a child.
Simple. What's another use?
We use just to mean exactly now or recently. For example, I just finished my homework.
So that means it happened very recently, right?
Yes. Or she just arrived.
Oh, I say that sometimes. I just woke up.
That's perfect.
Okay, more meanings?
Yes, sometimes just makes a sentence softer or more polite. For example, can I just ask one question? It feels less direct, more friendly.
Ah, I get it. Instead of sounding strong, it sounds nice.
Exactly. Another, could you just wait a minute? It's polite, not too hard.
Good trick. So people will like your tone more.
Yes, and finally, just can mean exactly. For example, this is just what I needed.
Oh, like perfect. Exactly this.
Yes, another example, he looks just like his father.
Nice. So four big uses: only, recently, polite, exactly.
Yes, and natives use just all the time.
Let's practice. Ask me something.
James, what do you want to eat?
I just want pizza.
Good. Now try the recently one.
I just came home.
Perfect. Now polite.
Can I just say something?
Yes, very natural. Now the exactly one.
This is just what I was looking for.
Excellent.
I feel like just makes my English sound smoother.
Yes, it's simple but strong. Natives use it all the time in daily speech.
So now we know three native words: maybe, probably, and just.
Yes, and there are still two more. If learners miss them, their English won't sound fully natural. They need to listen to the rest.
Smart move. Keep them curious.
Exactly.
Okay, Ella, I'm ready. What's the fourth magic word?
The word is guess.
Oh, I know guess. Like, I guessed the answer.
Yes, but natives use it in special ways. That's why it makes you sound natural.
Tell me the first one.
We use guess to mean think or believe, but not 100% sure. For example, I guess it's going to rain.
So it's like maybe, right?
Exactly. But guess feels more casual, more native.
Okay, another example?
Sure, he didn't call me, so I guess he is busy.
Nice. So it's softer than I think.
Yes, natives often prefer I guess instead of always saying I think.
That's useful. What's another use?
We also use guess in conversation to respond, like, I guess so.
Ah, yes, I've heard that in movies.
Yes, for example, A, do you like this movie? B, I guess so.
It's like yes, but not strong yes.
Exactly, it's a soft agreement.
Okay, that feels natural.
There's another use. Sometimes people say, guess what? It's a way to start a story.
Oh, yes, like, guess what? I got a new job.
Perfect. It makes people curious.
So guess is super flexible.
Yes. Let's practice.
Okay,
James, it's cloudy today.
I guess it might rain.
Good. Now answer this. Do you like pizza?
I guess so.
Perfect. Now try guess what?
Guess what? I bought new shoes.
Yes, you sound native.
I like this word. It's short, simple, but powerful.
Yes, it makes your English less robotic, more natural.
So now we have 4 words: maybe, probably, just, and guess.
Right. And remember, one word is still missing. Without it, you can't complete the native sound.
You love suspense, don't you?
Of course, we need people to stay with us until the end.
Ella, I'm really curious now. What's the last word?
The final word is kind of.
Wait, but that's 2 words.
Yes, it looks like 2 words, but natives use it together almost like one word.
Okay, tell me more.
We use kind of when something is partly true, not 100% true. For example, it's kind of cold today.
So it's not very cold, but a little cold.
Exactly. It makes your sentence softer.
Nice. Can you give another example?
Sure. He is kind of funny.
So maybe he's funny, but not like a comedian.
Right, you got it.
What's another way to use it?
Sometimes people say it when they're not sure how to describe something. For example, the movie was kind of strange.
That sounds like me when I don't know what to say.
Exactly. It helps you sound natural, not too direct.
I think I hear kinda a lot in songs.
Yes, good catch. In fast speech, natives say kinda. For example, I'm kinda tired.
Oh, so kinda is the same as kind of, just faster.
Correct. You don't need to write it like that in formal English, but in conversation, it's super common.
Okay, let's practice.
All right, say this. The soup is hot, but not too hot.
The soup is kind of hot.
Perfect. Now say, I'm tired, but not very tired.
I'm kinda tired.
Yes, that's very natural.
This is great. So kind of makes you sound softer and more native.
Exactly. And now we have all 5 words.
Let's review.
Sure. First, maybe.
Second, probably.
Third, just.
Fourth, guess.
And fifth, kind of.
Wow, that's a strong set. If I use these words, I will sound more natural.
Yes, but remember, the secret is not only knowing them, you have to use them daily in your speaking.
So I should try to add them when I talk with friends.
Yes, even small sentences can make a big difference.
Like instead of saying it is cold, I can say it's kind of cold.
Exactly. That small change makes you sound like a native.
I love it.
Great. So now, if you enjoyed these tips and want more lessons like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel, support us, and keep practicing every day.
Yes, keep going because small steps every day make your English stronger.
Thanks for listening and stay chill.